Hey everyone! One of my recent Instagram posts was about how to tell the difference between AI generated photos and real crochet. I got so many comments and questions about how to crochet the heart, so I decided to make it myself. A real heart with little imperfections, but even more beautiful than AI. This is my first try using cotton yarn. I didn't really like how it turned out. The second one looks better, because I used my favorite yarn France Cotton Silk by Hobby. In the third try, I made the bottom part a bit longer. Here are some hearts in different color combination and one in solid pink. I picked orange, violet, green and white for mine. Start with a magic ring, chain 2, one DC into the circle, chain 1, 2 DC crochet together into the circle, chain 1. Repeat the steps 7 times. At the end of the round, join the slip stitch to top of chain 2, cut the yarn. You should have a total of 8 or 8 chain 1 spaces. The second round. Connect the yarn to any chain 1 space, chain 2, 3DC crochet together in the same space. Chain 3, 4DC crochet together in next chain 1 space. Chain 2, 4DC crochet together in next chain 1 space. Chain 3, 4DC crochet together in next chain 1 space. Please note the 2 chain 3 spaces form the top bumps of the heart, and the chain 2 space between them forms the dip. Chain 2, 4DC crochet together in next chain 1 space. I repeat the steps twice. Chain 2, 3DC crochet together in next stitch. It forms the bottom of the heart. chain 2, 4 DC crochet together in next chain 1 space. Repeat the steps twice. Then to the round chain 2, join with slip stitch to top of chain 2 and cut the yarn. The third round, connect the yarn to the first chain 3 space, chain 2, count as the first DC. Six extended DC in the same space. Half double crochet in the top of the next stitch. Single crochet in next chain 2 space, chain 1, single crochet in the same space. Half double crochet in top of the next stitch, 6 extended double crochet in the next chain 3 space. DC in the same chain 3 space, HDC in next chain 2 space, chain 1, HDC in the same space. Chain 1, 3 single crochet in next chain 2 space. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in next chain 2 space. Single crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the top of the next stitch. Two single crochet in next chain 2 space, chain 1, 3 single crochet in next chain 2 space, chain 1. HDC in the last chain 2 space, chain 1, HDC in the same space, and join with slip stitch to top of chain 2. Round. Connect the yarn to top of chain 2, chain 2, HDC in the same place, 2 HDC in next 2DC, three HDC in next 4 DC. HDC in next HDC, slip stitch HDC in the place between 2 single crochet of the previous round, under the chain 2 space of the second round. HDC in next HDC, 3 HDC in next 4 DC. That work 2 HDC in next 2 DC and 1 HDC in the next HDC. HDC in the top of the violet stitch of the second round, work 3 HDC between next 2 HDC. Single crochet in next violet stitch of the second round, single crochet in next 3 single crochet and work single crochet in next violet stitch of the second round. single crochet in next 3 single crochet, 3 HDC in next HDC. Single crochet in next 3 single crochet, single crochet in the top of the violet stitch of the second round, and again single crochet in next 3 single crochet, single crochet in the top of the violet stitch of the second round. Work 3 HDC between next 2 HDC, HDC in the top of violet stitch of the second round, and join with slip stitch to the first HDC. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please tag me in your hearts and tell me how you would use them. Bye!